Look how cute this little guy is.
I hope I can't get my jack out after.
Yeah, right.
Oh, fuck.
Bruh, whole new car.
Alright, what's up, bankroll? It's gonna be a big day for the Integra today. Got these freshly polished GSR blades right here. And these Tein Coilovers. So we're about to slam this thing. So I'm gonna head over to Brian's house right now and drop this off, and then I'm gonna come back for the tagging. Pulled up to Brian's. This is the last time you guys are gonna see the Teggy like this. Alright boys, we got all the wheels off. We found out the last owner had upgraded the suspension a bit. Some upgraded lower control arms.
Oh, they're staples.
Damn, they're right there.
Ah, bro, you bought second hand, huh?
Look at that. Authentic Japanese right there.
Yeah, what does that say? Chicken wing?
It probably says tightened at specified torque.
Probably.
That's how I know.
How do you know?
I'll get that tatted on me.
I want the sticker though.
I don't. What's the front? Oh, this is probably rear.
The rear should be the smaller ones. I think these are the front, right? Yeah. What, grab it?
You're missing a coilover.
Oh.
All right, guys, so we're on the driver's side of the Integra on the front. So on our case, it was a 15 holding in this bracket for the spring and the strut. So I removed the 15 from right here, backed it out. Now we're going down here. It's a 17 with a nut and a bolt that goes through to this side. I'm gonna crack both loose. This should free up this arm, this A arm. And then we'll remove the bracket for the brake line. And then after that, I've already gone ahead and I've loosened the, I think there are 14s on top. All right, so I just got finished removing the nut and the bolt that went through here. It's a pretty long bolt. I got stuck halfway through, so what I did was, in this opening, I stuck a flathead and I just tapped it out with a hammer. But now we have to separate these two. So that's why we removed that bolt right there. What you can do is tap this with a hammer and it should free it up. See, like ours separated. Okay, now it's separated. You see these? They used to be joined together. What I did was I loosened the top up, like I said. Just pushed it up a little bit to give me enough room to clear this. And then I had a friend just come and stand on the rotor to pull this whole assembly down. And now the only thing holding it in is the two bolts on top. Once I remove those, this whole thing's gonna fall out and the coilover is ready to install. Okay, that's the old one out. Oh yeah.
It goes past the rubber thing.
Same thing as when we removed this, how we had to hammer it to get it on or off. Now we have to hammer it to get it on. Oh, it's on.
There we go.
Boom. All right, slowly but surely. And I'm just gonna use this nut and tighten this. I think they're 17s from what I remember. We also got the coilover attached in right here with the 15. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the fronts. We haven't adjusted the fronts yet. Like I said, this coilover, it's a lot shorter than the OEM strut. So we're wondering how much lower that's gonna look just as is.
So for the back, we're gonna have to disconnect everything from the lower control arm. That's just gonna be the bottom of the strut, the sway bar end link, and then the very back. Okay, so once you remove this 14 from the bottom of the strut, there's still not enough room to drop the strut out, so we're gonna have to remove this whole bottom control arm. There's gonna be this 14 right here, and this 15
Trust my word?
on the other side.
Car, bro.
And up here, this is gonna be two 15s, and we can take off this strut bar.
Look how cute this little guy is.
Alright guys, my phone had died, but the front is now complete. We got the strut bar in as well. This side's done. Go do it.
Okay.
It will go hella down.
It's gonna be hella sus. Didn't we start like this?
It's gonna be fine. It's good. I know you guys are tripping.
Hey, it looks low.
It does look good.
Oh, dude. Oh my
It's
god.
a little bit higher, but
In the rear, huh?
No, we didn't even touch it.
Dude, that shit's slow. Fuck. I know. Can someone please? Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, somebody explain what we're doing.
We're still on the short board.
Okay.
Slow.
On the shit.
On the shit. The front is slammed. We're gonna lower the back a bit more. Y'all please let me know what color I should do the calipers. Cause I'm hating that blue right now. It's throwing me off. Meg, the Coilover specialist.
That's too loose.
Used to be an inch, remember?
That's too much. Trust me, it drops pretty quick. That's over an inch.
Like 3/4 of an inch.
Yeah. Cause I did an inch and it slammed that shit.
You think that's an inch?
Get your Peter.
I know what an inch looks like, right?
Yeah, that's about an inch.
It looks like a lot, huh?
You can move it up a little bit just to be safe.
Yeah.
But it's up to him, cause
7.
8.
7.
8.
hey, yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be
All
cool.
right.
It'll be cool.
And
Hella up
you
to me.
I know.
The shock will compress.
It'll compress, and then the spring will catch it.
Yeah, the spring will catch it.
Yeah. You should be good.
Mm.
Cause that makes sense. The weight of the car is gonna,
Yeah.
you know.
It was like 3/4 of an inch
Yeah.
on the threaded portion.
It's better to use a measuring tape.
I just count threads.
Numbers are facts, bro.
You're savage.
8 threads.
Yeah, I see that. His dick came out.
No, wait. What do you mean your dick came out?
What the shit? Daniel loves money. That's fine.
Yeah, fuck it, huh?
Fuck it, Tino's car.
Yeah, it's Tino's car. I don't care.
Cut the brake lights too while we're at it.
I gotta
Just
just.
send that for me.
That feels good. Huh? Why me?
Oughta just fuck away. I hope I can't get my jack out after.
Yeah, right.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit.
That looks
Dude,
good.
that's perfect, dude.
It looks honestly
Oh my god.
That's money, bro.
Look how bouncy the rear is.
Off it goes.
So wet.
That thing looks clean.
It looks so sick. So much better? It just needs a wing.
Bruh, whole new car.
Wait, hold on.
I feel like it hugs really well, but there's like a little rattle that I don't know if it. You'll hear it. Maybe it's just an engine.
Looks hella good, bro.